teach you guys and share back how to find a variable value using some of the pro tips. Alright, so whenever I said find a variables, I hope you understand that we are finding the values of the letter. Okay, so let's go with the example 1. For example, one simple example, we start with x plus 7 equal to 8. Okay, so when I said find the variable value, you are looking for this one because this is the only letter you have. 7 and 8 is not a letter, it's a constant, a number. So we would like to find x. So we would like to leave x alone here. X is alone here. We would like to find the answer of x. So what to do is, since we would like to remove plus 7, so we would like to make it, when I said remove, I would like to change it to 0. So what we do is, we minus 7. So when we do on the left side minus 7, so we do the same thing on the right side, minus 7. So what we got here is, for example, I do like this, x, okay, it will become 1. So this is the final answer, okay, because this one 0 already. Okay, this one x minus 7 is 1. So this is to make it you even clear for applying this tip. To remove plus, use negative, or minus, you use minus. So I'm using minus here because I'm removing the positive 7. Okay, so the answer is 1. Okay, let's see, we go to the next question. For example, number 2. For example, I do like this. Negative 5 plus x equal to 1. So again, if the question asks you, find the variable. So only variable here is x. So you are looking for this x. So look it here. You like to remove the negative 5. Okay, negative 5. So how to remove negative 5? Remove negative, use positive. But positive what? Positive 5 lah. Plus 5 here. So on the left side plus 5. The right side also plus 5. So what's happened here? Negative, positive, negative 5 plus positive 5 is 0. So x left here. X equal to 6. So this is the final answer. X equal to 6. Okay. So you can do like this. Okay. Or you also can do like this lah. Previously I teach you like this. Negative 5 plus x equal to 1. What I did is, the difference is only I make it in one line. Negative. Now this is what I teach in the class. Okay, this is what I teach in the class. So this one is become 0 already. 0 plus x equal to 6. X equal to 6. But if you can see this one more clearer, you can also do this one. So now we done this one. To remove plus, to make it 0 of plus, use subtract. To remove subtract, we need to use plus. How about to remove multiply, multiplication? So let's try this question. Number 3. For examples, we have 2x equal to 8. Okay, how to remove times? Okay, Cikgu, how do you know this times? This is actually referring to 2 times x. Okay, so that's why it's time. Okay, so how to remove time? Divided, but divided by what? Divided by 2. So on the left side divided by 2, on the right side let's do the same thing. So here we go, we got x equal to 4. Cikgu, why only x? Because look carefully here. 2 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1x equal to 4. So that's why only x left. Okay. And last one. Multiplication. Division, sorry. 4. For example, we have x multiply with 4 equal to 7. Okay. So now look carefully here. Over x over 4 means divide. How to remove divide? So basically the concept is like this. In front of x is 1. It's actually 1 over 4. How to make it 1? So what we do is time 4. So we got 4 over 4. So it's 1 lah. Okay, that is what happening here. I just put the x. Okay, so that's why here we need to time 4. Okay, so now left hand side time 4, the right hand side also time 4. So since here is, what is the value of 4 over 4 over x? Is actually x. It's a 1, right? This one is 1. Okay, so x equal to 28. So this is actually the basics of finding variable value. Okay, to use these tips. Okay, alright, so maybe you can try the, I will like to do or show you the last question, question number 5. For example, I have 3y minus 6 equal to 4. Maybe 5y. Okay, right, so we have 5y, we have 6. Remember, we would like to find the variable value. Variable is what? Variable is a letter. So we want y only, stand alone. Y only. So we have 5, we have 6. So remove 1 by 1. Remove the far first. Remove yang paling jauh dulu. So how to remove negative 6? So negative, how to remove negative? Plus 6. So here also plus 6. So what's left? We have 5y equal to 10. Right, this one already done. So how to remove this one? This one is what? Times, right? So to remove time, we need to divide. Divide by 5. So the right side also divide by 5. So y? So this one is 5 over 5, which is 1. 1y. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So this is the final answer lah. Y equal to 2. Right, so hopefully this video membantu kamu untuk faham how to find variable, one variable using these pro tips.